if you want to do a three-way call, here's how easily add a third participant on Android. So in order to do that, first of all, find your phone application. Now go through your contacts, or maybe you can open up a keypad and dial the number which you need to. I will do this from the contacts, so choose your contacts tab, find the first contact you will be calling to. Now tap call and let this person accept this call. So, all right, now here press add a call, and now we can either dial a new number which we want to add up, or press contacts and choose the second number from the contacts and call them as well. Now the first person is gonna be put on hold, which is fine, accept the call on the second phone, and now you'll see this merge icon. So press merge. Give it a couple seconds to be proceeded, and now we've got our conference call reading at the top, which means our conference call is on. So when you're done, all the participants can speak both at the time. So when you're done, simply press on the red icon and your call will be ended. And basically, that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.